Some places impress you, others change the way you see the world. Sweden is one of those places, a country where green valleys meets majestic mountains, where quiet country roads wind through landscapes that seems untouched by time, and where every season paints nature with a different palette. Here, life moves differently. There's no rush, no endless noise, just fresh air, open skies, and the simple beauty of being surrounded by nature. Small villages and peaceful countryside remind us that not every journey has to be about reaching a destination. Sometimes the journey itself is the destination. Whether you are chasing the midnight sun, exploring hidden mountain trails, or simply watching the wind dance across endless green fields, Sweden offers something increasingly rare in today's world: space, silence, and the freedom to slow down. So, if you are searching for a place that allows you to breathe a little deeper, to reconnect with nature, and to discover beauty in its purest form, perhaps it's time to discover Sweden, not just as a destination, but as an experience you will never forget.